Hello there, welcome to our channel. Have you ever experienced some unexpected wood scraps ideas which instantly elevate decor? Do you think those dusty wood scraps in your garage are trash? Think again. What if I told you those forgotten pieces of wood could instantly elevate your home decor, making it look custom and high-end, all without spending a fortune? Get ready to see the surprising transformations that will make you rethink every leftover plank. Wood scraps, often seen as mere leftovers from larger projects, can transform a space in remarkable ways. These pieces, rich in texture and character, can be reimagined into unique decor items that not only elevate the aesthetic of a room, but also tell a story of sustainability and creativity. The beauty of using wood scraps lies in their versatility and the personal touch they bring to your home. Imagine a collection of various sizes and shapes of wood scraps stacked artfully on a console table. This simple arrangement can serve as a stunning centerpiece, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. Each piece, whether it's a rough-hewn chunk of timber or a finely sanded slat, adds depth and interest. To enhance this display, consider incorporating elements like candles or small potted plants. The organic nature of the wood pairs beautifully with the greenery, creating a harmonious blend of rustic charm and natural beauty. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unexpected wood scraps ideas to instantly elevate decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another innovative way to use wood scraps is to create wall art. Instead of purchasing mass-produced prints, consider piecing together a mosaic of different wood textures and finishes. This can be achieved by cutting scraps into various geometric shapes and arranging them on a backing board. The interplay of colors, grains, and patterns will add a striking focal point to any wall. You might also explore the option of burning or staining some pieces to create contrast and visual interest. This personalized art piece not only showcases your creativity, but also infuses your space with warmth. For those who enjoy a touch of whimsy, wood scraps can be transformed into playful decor items. Consider crafting a set of quirky bookends by gluing together two pieces of wood that differ in height or shape. Not only are these functional, but they can also serve as conversation starters, especially if you choose to paint or decorate them in a fun way. Alternatively, you could create small wooden sculptures or figurines, perhaps representing animals or abstract forms that can be placed on shelves or mantels. These unique creations bring a sense of joy and individuality to your decor. If you're looking for practical uses for your wood scraps, think about creating stylish storage solutions. A small wooden crate or box can be constructed from scrap pieces, perfect for organizing items on a desk or shelf. You can personalize these containers by painting or staining them to match your existing decor. Additionally, you could attach a small chalkboard label to the front, making it easy to identify the contents. This blend of functionality and style is sure to enhance any space, keeping it tidy while adding character. Decorative trays are another fantastic way to incorporate wood scraps into your home. By arranging smaller pieces together, you can create a unique, rustic tray that can be used for serving or as a catch-all for items like keys and mail. The process of cutting and assembling the wood can be a fulfilling project, allowing you to customize the size and shape to fit your needs. Once completed, this tray becomes not just a practical item, but a work of art in its own right. For a more elevated touch, consider using wood scraps to create a stunning chandelier or pendant light. By attaching pieces of wood to a simple frame, you can design a lighting fixture that diffuses soft light and adds an organic feel to your space. This project can vary in complexity, allowing you to adapt it to your skill level. The result is a striking focal point that combines functionality with a rustic aesthetic, sure to impress anyone who enters the room. Wood scraps can also be repurposed into unique wall-mounted shelves, providing both storage and display space. By combining different lengths and widths of wood, you can create a visually interesting arrangement that showcases books, plants, or decorative items. This not only utilizes the scraps effectively, but also adds dimension to your walls. To make these shelves even more appealing, consider leaving the wood in its natural state, highlighting the grain and imperfections that tell a story of its past life. Incorporating wood scraps into your decor doesn't have to be limited to traditional items. You can explore the world of mixed media by combining wood with other materials such as metal or fabric. For instance, a wooden frame can be adorned with fabric or leather accents, creating a unique piece of wall art or a mirror that blends textures. This fusion of materials not only enhances the overall aesthetic, but also allows for greater creative expression. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to using wood scraps in your home. From creating personalized gifts for friends and family to crafting unique holiday decorations, these pieces can add a special touch to any occasion. A simple wooden ornament, for example, can be made from a thin slice of wood, decorated with paint or carvings, and hung on a tree or displayed throughout the year. This approach not only brings a handcrafted element to your celebrations, but also serves as a reminder of your commitment to sustainability. As you explore the world of wood scraps, consider the stories and histories that each piece holds. These remnants of larger projects carry a sense of nostalgia, connecting you to the past while allowing for creative expression in the present. The act of transforming these scraps into something new is not only satisfying, but also serves as a reminder of the value of repurposing and sustainability in today's world. In addition to enhancing your decor, working with wood scraps can be a therapeutic experience, providing an opportunity for mindfulness and creativity. As you sand, cut, and assemble, you engage in a process that requires focus and intention. This can be a refreshing change from the fast-paced nature of daily life, allowing you to immerse yourself in a hands-on project that brings joy and satisfaction. Utilizing wood scraps in your decor is not just about aesthetics, it's also a statement about your values. In a world that often prioritizes disposable and mass-produced items, choosing to repurpose and elevate what might otherwise be discarded reflects a commitment to sustainability and creativity. This approach can inspire others to think differently about their own waste and the potential for transformation in everyday materials. As you embark on your journey of crafting with wood scraps, remember that there are no strict rules. The beauty of this process lies in experimentation and the willingness to try new ideas. Embrace the imperfections and idiosyncrasies that come with working with reclaimed materials. They are what make each piece unique. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, the important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. In conclusion, the potential of wood scraps is limited only by your imagination. From decorative accents to practical solutions, these pieces can elevate your home's decor in unexpected ways. By embracing the beauty of imperfection and the charm of handcrafted items, you create a space that is not only visually appealing, but also rich in character and meaning. So gather your wood scraps, let your creativity shine, and transform your home into a reflection of your unique style and values. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unexpected wood scraps ideas to instantly elevate decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.